Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. In this dot mandala, I am going to use copper and different shades of yellow, and all the colors are either metallic colors or pearl colors. I'll start with dotting in the center in copper. I'll keep some dots in pearl lemon yellow. Now I'll keep some tiny dots. I'll keep some copper dots now. I'll keep tiny dots. I'll keep some dots in pearl golden yellow. I'll keep tiny dots now. I'll keep some copper dots now. I'll keep tiny dots in copper. I'll keep some dots in pearl metallic yellow. I'll keep tiny dots now. I'll keep copper dots. I'll keep tiny dots. I'll keep some dots in pearl desert gold. I'll keep tiny dots now. I'll keep copper dots now. I'll keep tiny dots. I'll keep some lemon yellow dots now. I've kept some lemon yellow dots. I'll keep smaller copper dots. I'll keep two side swipes in golden yellow. I'll keep two side swipes in pearl metallic yellow. Now two more side swipes in desert gold. I'll work the dots in copper. I'll keep copper dots. I'll keep some more copper dots. Keep some lemon yellow dots. Now some golden yellow dots. Some metallic yellow dots. Now some desert gold dots. I'll work the dots in lemon yellow now. I'll work the dots in golden yellow now. Now I'll work the dots using metallic yellow. I'll work the dots using desert gold. I'll keep 2 side swipes in copper using brush. Now I'll keep 2 more brush strokes in lemon yellow. Keep some metallic yellow dots. I'll keep straight swipes in desert gold. I'll keep 2 side swipes in gold and yellow. To me, this dot mandala looks really vibrant and beautiful. Thank you for watching this video.